If OneNote is showing error code 0x20, don't worry. In most cases, this is caused by a locked session, a frozen background process, or a corrupted cache. In this video, I'll show you a simple step-by-step fix you can try right now to get OneNote working again. And if this tutorial helps, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech fixes. First, let's deal with the most common cause, a hidden OneNote process running in the background. Sometimes OneNote does not fully close, and a ghost instance keeps the file locked, which triggers the error. To check this, right-click your Windows taskbar and open Task Manager. Once Task Manager opens, go to the Processes tab and look carefully for anything labeled Microsoft OneNote or ONENOTE.EXE. If you see it running, right-click it and choose End Task. While you're in there, also check OneDrive. If OneDrive looks frozen, stuck, or unresponsive, end that task too. OneNote and OneDrive often work together, and if OneDrive is stuck, it can keep OneNotes from syncing or opening properly. After ending those tasks, close Task Manager and relaunch OneNote to see if the error is gone. In many cases, that alone will break the file lock and fix the problem. If you still see the error code, the next step is to fully close OneNote and clear its local cache. This can help if the app is loading corrupted temporary data. First, make sure OneNote is completely closed, then press Windows key plus R to open the run box. In the run field, paste this path exactly, %localapp data %twas Microsoft OneNote, then press enter. This will open OneNote's local data folder. Now look for your current version folder. For most modern Microsoft 365 installations, this is usually the 16.0 folder. Open that folder and inside it, locate the folder called Cache. The cache folder stores temporary OneNote data, and if it becomes damaged, it can cause strange errors like 0x20. Delete the cache folder, then close the window. Now reopen OneNote and give it a moment to rebuild the cache. The app may take a little longer on the first launch after deleting cached files, but that's normal. Once it reloads, check whether your notebook opens correctly and see if the error code appears again. If OneNote still refuses to work, I recommend restarting your computer as a final quick step. A restart can clear any lingering background locks and give OneNote and OneDrive a fresh start. After rebooting, open OneNote again and test the notebook one more time. To recap, the two biggest fixes for OneNote error code 0x20 are ending any stuck OneNote or OneDrive processes in Task Manager and deleting the OneNote cache folder from the local app data path. These steps solve the issue for many users because they target the most common cause, a locked session or damaged temporary files. If this video helped you fix the issue, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy software tutorials and troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.